आज ओजी आई है ओजी का इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए एंड व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस। मतलब अगर मैं मेरे साथ जो टीम आई उनको बोलती ना कि गेट से यहाँ तक पैदल आओ तो उनका 2-4 किलो तो वज़न कम हो जाता। अमेजिंग घर। ऑफ कोर्स मतलब इतना ही आ सकते हैं, अंदर जाना अभी अलाउड नहीं है। बट वी आर सिटिंग हियर इन द ऑफिस। दिस इज़ द ऑफिस वेयर वी आर सिटिंग। दैट्स माई मेन फोकस। एक तो इतने सारे मग्स और वहाँ से मैं अपनी सुंदर शक्ल देख पा रही हूँ। So yeah, we are ready for the OG interview today. We just waiting for छवि मैम वो आए और हम लोग इंटरव्यू चालू करें। The MBA सरपंच जो सब उन्हें बुलाते हैं। अच्छा मैं चश्मा उतारना ही भूल गई, तभी मैं कहूँ मुझे अच्छे से दिख क्यों नहीं रहा। So yeah, very excited and we are waiting. मुझे तो रास्ते में समझाता हुआ है कि गुस्सा आता है, गुस्सा आती नहीं है। आई एम अ बंगाली, सो मैंने कल बोल दिया रेडियो पे कि गुस्सा आती है, तो कह रहा गुस्सा आती नहीं है, गुस्सा आता है।
ये बोलने दो ना, पर गुस्सा आती भी है तो फिर दूसरे को तो हंसी आएगी।
सो शुद्ध हिंदी तो यहाँ से नहीं मिलेगी। दैट्स नेक्स्ट टाइम पॉसिबल। शुड वी स्टार्ट? We already started actually. We had a lot of conversation. Candid वाली जो conversation थी। Hi, मैं हूँ सुनीता on Super Hits 93.5 Red FM and you know when I listen to people saying कि अरे she is a female और वो cricketer है या वो औरत है, वो entrepreneur है, oh my god, a woman CEO. You know, I still don't understand that in 2025 also we're discussing on gender bias roles. You have to understand that a woman can be a housemaker, a homemaker, but she can also be a change maker. And we have Chavi Rajawatji, who better than her. Welcome to Red FM and thank you for saying yes to this interview.
Oh, thanks for having me here.
So
and taking time out to be here.
And it's a lovely home, I must say. It's a beautiful and with the accolades that I'm seeing here. So I saw this huge collection of mugs. Can you tell me a little story कि उसके पीछे का क्या कहानी? इतना mugs मैंने पहली बार देखा किसी के।
Oh well, that's whenever I've been to events, which I do go to a lot as a speaker. So often mugs are what is given to you, right? And so it's just also a way of remembering where all I've been and for what and what themes as well, because a lot of mugs also carry the theme that I was representing.
Wow, great!
So that's what it is for.
I loved one of the mugs. Can I steal it?
Which one? Depends.
A black mug.
Oh, okay. I know what you want to talk about.
It was a beautiful mug.
That was that I think was an event probably organized by Mr. Shiv Khera.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yes, it's got you're welcome to take that.
Thank you so much. Okay, now we were talking about कि कैसे औरतों को स्टिग्मा लगा दिया जाता है। You know, there is कि औरत ये कर सकती है, वो नहीं कर सकती. You have done a brilliant job. Being in your role as a woman, were there gender bias challenges जो आपको face करने पड़े?
As a sarpanch?
Yes.
I think I was lucky because for two main reasons. One being that the plan of making me the sarpanch was not mine; it was that of the village elders.
Okay.
Essentially, menfolk, right? So that worked to my advantage. And the second important one being that the village sees me as the daughter of the village.
Wow.
So therefore, their perspective and perception of me and the way they look at me is very different from perhaps they would look at say my mother, who's a daughter-in-law of the village, right? So from that perspective, I think I was very lucky. Also because I spent a lot of my time growing up. A lot of my vacations were spent in the village. I'm a city-bred girl. I was born in the city. I lived in the city. I'm a boarding school product, having studied in the south, in Rishi Valley, and then Mayo, and then Delhi, Bombay, etc. So village is not where I grew up, but yes, I've spent my vacations there, and I've always been an outdoor person. So as a result of that, my emotional connect with the village elders, because it's the men who are usually out in the fields or out of the houses. So my interaction with the village elders and now men who are my age group was far higher. So I think that's why, because of that emotional connect, is why they thought
that you could
that I would listen to them and also work for the betterment of the village.
So did MBA क्या MBA ने मदद करी for the role?
हाँ, big time. क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है, लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं कि आपने प्राइवेट कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर को छोड़ के गांव में क्यों गए, आपने सैक्रिफाइस किया, मुझे नहीं लगता इट्स दैट बिग अ सैक्रिफाइस रियली, क्योंकि जो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर होता है, सो अगर एक आप बिजनेस चला रहे हैं और एक गांव को मैनेज कर रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफरेंट बिकॉज यू डीलिंग विद पर्सनल, यू डीलिंग विद फाइनेंस, फंड रेजिंग, मैनेजमेंट, यू नो ऑल ऑफ इट,
Everything.
सो इफ़ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव, ज़्यादा अंतर नहीं है. मेन अंतर बस ये ज़रूर है कि कॉर्पोरेट या प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज़ फार मोर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड and the rural sector I think would be the most unorganized sector. रही MBA की बात, I also in my Gram Sabhas made the villagers understand and think about the larger good, and I would be completely transparent. मैं उनको बोलती थी हमारे कितने फंड्स हैं, कितने नहीं हैं, और अगर नहीं है तो कैसे वो भी मिलके सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड उसी की वजह से काफ़ी हमारा काम जो हम कर पाए हो पाया. साथ में हमने शॉर्ट टर्म, मीडियम टर्म, लॉन्ग टर्म विजन के हिसाब से प्रोजेक्ट्स को सामने रखना और उसी हिसाब से चलना, वो भी हमने उनसे शेयर किया, जिसकी वजह से जो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो होनी चाहिए है बिटवीन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड द पीपल, दैट इंक्रीज्ड. फिर हमारे खासकर जो गांव के युवा हैं, उनसे हमें बहुत सपोर्ट मिला. क्योंकि मेरा मेन उद्देश्य यही है कि कैसे हम रूरल और अर्बन डिवाइड, जो डिवीजन इतना स्टार्क है, उसको हम कैसे ब्लर कर सकते हैं.
Exactly was my next question, that how do you plan कि इसको bridge करना जो gap है.
See, that's how I've been able to work. I read people's minds.
You read, oh it's scary, you're reading me. Okay, so you know आपने बोला कि आप village vacation के लिए जाते थे. Bridging the gap में समझ गई कैसे हो रहा है. पर ये गैप कैसे ब्रिज करें, बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड कि मेरे लिए, अगर मैं अभी जयपुर शहर में हूँ तो मेरे लिए गो टू स्टार्ट लिविंग इन अ स्मॉलर सिटी विल ऑल्सो बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. MBA का आपने एक पूरा कहते हैं ना अपना केबिन छोड़ के यू आर वर्किंग इन द विलेज. मुझे वो एक माइंडसेट शिफ्ट की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो वो क्या था और कैसा रहा?
आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. खासकर अब मैं जब देखती हूँ नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, and also how technology is playing such a huge role. मेरा ये मानना है कि जब हम बच्चों को एक secure environment देते हैं, and when I say that, I'm also referring to listening to them, understanding where they are at, and providing an atmosphere which helps them grow as an individual. जो मुझे लग रहा है कहीं ना कहीं आज के समय में थोड़ा वो मिसिंग हो रहा है, because yes, competition is very high, but it does not mean that you look at things from a very myopic perspective. When you have that larger holistic perspective, the child learns to adapt. And I think adaptability in today's day and time is the most essential and crucial thing that we can provide for an individual, because if you're able to adapt, you're able to manage anywhere, under any circumstances, and therefore you end up becoming a winner.
Okay, so now talking about, you said the adaptability, you said adapting to challenges is not new to you, that I've understood throughout the conversation. But throughout जो आपने इतना सारा काम किया, 10 years tenure, कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो आज भी याद है which was very challenging? यार ये तो मतलब oh god, my adaptability has gone behind. My everything is like my MBA is not working here, how do I do this?
I'd say there wasn't any project that wasn't full of challenges. Okay, to answer that. But हाँ, एक चीज़ जो मैंने सीखी, which is again a great question, because for me these 10 years have been very enriching, even in terms of how it has shaped me, hopefully to be a better human being. तो वो उसमें एक खासियत यही थी जो मैं appreciate करती हूँ कि challenges हमारे बहुत थे, and लेकिन एक चीज़ मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि अक्सर हमें लगता है कि हमने जो सोचा है उससे सोल्यूशन हमें मिल जाएगा, बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट विल हैपन. हाउएवर, दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू हैव फेल्ड. इट जस्ट मीन्स यू नीड टू लुक एट इट डिफरेंटली. यू हैव टू फाइंड अ डिफरेंट मीडियम टुवर्ड्स द सोल्यूशन, and sometimes you have to keep at it. One doesn't work, you try another way. That doesn't work, you try yet another way, and you don't give up. So I think that for me was an immense learning, and thankfully it worked.
You must have faced more challenges because you were very young also when you had joined.
Still very young.
You are. Oh my God. You're not just saying, you're very beautiful.
Well, thank
I should have
you.
started the conversation with that.
Thank you.
So, आज का जो youngster है, if I have to bring them to the village, because there has to be a lot of development in rural India as well.
Yes.
तभी जाकर पूरे देश का विकास प्रॉपर तरीके से हो सकेगा. अदरवाइज एक सेक्टर बढ़ रहा है, दूसरा सेक्टर कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा लैग. How do you plan to bridge the gap and how do you plan to bring youth to the villages, you know, with the same mindset?
I think that's where, Sudipta, people like you are very, very important and critical. क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है कि हमारे देश में there's so many people doing amazing work, but in isolation, right? And I think I was blessed कि कहीं ना कहीं आप जैसे लोगों ने मेरी कहानी सुनी and you made it public. But does everyone have that opportunity? No. And one of the main reasons जो मैंने सरपंच बनने के लिए मैंने हाँ भरी, वो इसलिए था क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अपने देश में we need more positive stories, right? Unfortunately, the nuisance value, the negativity always overrides the good, because good is not loud enough. So we need platforms where that positivity is spoken of. Like लोग बोलते रहते हैं अरे इतना corruption है फलाना वगैरह वगैरह, पर फिर हमारा देश कैसे चल रहा है? क्योंकि even within the system there's so many wonderful people.
Yes, exactly.
And I think I was very lucky that I was able to find those people who not just supported me and my work, but also kept me motivated and inspired. Right? Because it's very easy to get disillusioned. क्योंकि challenges हर वक्त आपके सामने आएंगे ज़रूर. But जब आपको वह ऐसे व्यक्ति मिलते हैं, खासकर जो सिस्टम में खुद हैं और खुद कोशिश कर रहे हैं बदलाव लेके आने के लिए, लेकिन उनके बारे में भी कोई बोलता नहीं है.
Right. The stories are not coming out.
Yes. So that is what is needed. And with reference to the youth, the beauty of today is because the avenues for the youth are so many कि आज के समय में बच्चे जो चाहे वो कर सकते हैं, किसी भी फील्ड में जा सकते हैं, like the three of you, right? जो पहले नहीं था. So opportunities बहुत हैं. ज़रूरत है कि, और मुझे लगता है कि युवा समझती भी है, बच्चे चाहते हैं, they want to explore, but कहीं ना कहीं जो उनके बड़े हैं, घर में हो या स्कूल में हो, वो थोड़ा सा झिझकते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि उन्हें भी थोड़ा घबराहट होती है, डर लगता है अगर आप किसी नए जगह जा रहे हैं. एंड change of any kind and getting out of your comfort zone is always difficult, right? So I think it's about presenting these opportunities and looking at it from that perspective. क्योंकि मेरा again मेरा personal belief है कि अगर हम schools और colleges के जो बच्चे हैं उनको हम immersion programs में गांव में लेके जाएं and उनके साथ और गांव के बच्चों के साथ और बड़ों के साथ मिलके उनकी समस्याएं हम समझें, तो गांव और शहर के बच्चे मिलके प्रोजेक्ट्स, you know, combined projects कर सकते हैं, and where they both sides feel inspired and realize that they have the potential to make a difference.
This is a wonderful thing. I think जो स्कूल के trips होते हैं या 2-3 दिन के वेके, I think they should be taken to the villages. Absolutely. To understand how the life is over there, how different it is, and how to, you know, bridge the gap. I think that will be very, very easy. So have you ever thought of doing something like, I'm saying you meet people from different sections. So say for example, if you ever met a cricketer, like our women's team just won World Cup. So did you, you know, when you were looking from this side of the screen, did you feel like, अरे यार cricketer बन जाते तो मजा आ जाता? Was your, or any other for that matter, you know? Say for example today, if you met me and you think, यार मुझे भी इंटरव्यू करके शायद और ज़्यादा लोग की बात बाहर ला कर.
It seems fun. It seems like you guys have like the fantastic, most perfect job ever.
Yes. So we meet a lot of people and work is always fun. So have you ever felt कि यार ये कर लेना चाहिए था या वो?
कर लेना चाहिए था.
Any other? Sometimes.
Oh yeah. Well, as a kid, so my parents used to run an export firm. They were into manufacturing of leather goods.
Wow.
And it was a pretty large firm. My father was referred to as the leather magnate of Rajasthan for sure. And there was a tannery the production of which was only for my parents' firm. So that's the level, the scale of which the work was. So growing up, I used to always think कि मुझे शौक है travel करने का. I love sketching. So मुझे लगता था मैं बड़ी होके मैं भी यही चलाऊंगी. It's the perfect job for me. I get to travel, I get to meet people,
and I can sketch.
I get to sketch, I design things, so on and so forth. But little did I know that my father had a dream. उन्होंने business इसलिए शुरू किया था जिससे वो समाज सेवा कर सके. But he didn't believe in asking people for money.
Wow.
So the money that
Came from here,
that
went
came
there.
from yes, was what was
Wow.
utilized. And he had decided that by the age of 45, he would wind up the business and get into social service full time, which is exactly what he did. Not at 45, a little later, but I was in high school then, just finishing school. So वो मेरा सपना थोड़ा है जो पूरा नहीं हो पाया.
You still can design, I'm sure.
Oh yes, absolutely. But I think there's so much more to do, and especially for the country. So one of the key things is how do people like us come together and
Make the change.
make the change and
आज मैं बैठ जाती हूँ, आज मैं सिर्फ स्क्रीन देखूंगी. I will just see the reels. I will just go to an OTT platform और I'll
Right.
see binge eating और मैं बैठ के यही करती रहूंगी like I did on a Sunday. पूरा season खत्म किया मैंने. So
Wow.
does this ever happen?
Not
And if
really.
yes, no?
not really, because I'm not someone who likes to or who can sit in one place for too long.
Wow.
So, but yes, I do have my downtime. I wouldn't survive if I didn't. So I love animals. So I do have few dogs I love hanging out with, and few cows at home as well.
Wow.
And apart from that, I love hanging out with my friends. So yeah, so that's my downtime.
So no OTTs and no movies.
Not
as
very
such.
much. Not very much.
The last that you remember? What was the last thing that you saw?
Oh, you're gonna have a good laugh. I call myself a late bloomer. I saw Friends.
Oh, no,
only
even I-
recently,
And it's
like
a
back
great
to back.
series.
Yeah, it's a great series.
It's like कहीं से भी चालू करो वैसा ही fun
That's
आता है.
true. Yeah. So I had seen like snippets of it, but I never. So this time I decided I'm going to start from the very beginning, and watch it episode by episode. So I've not finished it, but yes, like sometimes when I just want to switch off, like you're saying, and it's too late in the day to step out, then that's what I resort to.
All right. So any music that you like, love listening to?
Plenty. I can listen to anything from Western classical to Carnatic to pop and rock and all of it.
So Carnatic is because your initial education was there. Is how
Yes.
you must have got the
Right,
inclination.
yeah.
कोई गाना आप गा सकते हो? I mean,
ओ
very-
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे बोला है कि अगर आप चाहते हैं लोग आपके आसपास रहे तो कभी भी मत गाना.
No, but because the way you're so soft spoken, I thought कि probably आपका ताल
I
बहुत
know.
सुरीला
Unfortunately
है.
not. I tried learning in school, but my teacher gave up.
Oh, नहीं हो पा रहा. You better be doing something else. All right. So moving on to the rapid fire. I just have one word questions for you, and we'll quickly do that.
I don't do one words. I don't know how to be crisp, but I'll try.
Let's give you. ये Twitter है. आपके पास 140 characters ही है. You can't go beyond that. Okay. If you had to give one word for your journey so far.
Adventurous.
Okay. Are you a chai person or a coffee person? Now, because why am I asking is because you're here, which is a chai area, but then you also lived in South, which is a coffee area.
Right, so both actually.
I don't want that. I want
Okay, black coffee. Yeah.
All right. Village life or city life?
A blend.
Okay. So is there a leader who you truly admire?
Well, I did have a wish and a desire to meet him, had sought an appointment, but I missed it, Mr. Ratan Tata. Yeah, I think that is such a huge loss.
Yes, it is. And he was a great, and he has had great impact on the youth, surprisingly.
Absolutely. And I'm blessed that I did get to meet Dr. Kalam. So yeah, such a warm, lovely person.
Never
Yeah.
met, but I mean,
Yeah.
what I've seen via screen. One habit that keeps you grounded.
My parents.
Yeah.
Arguing with my parents.
They still scold you? Are you still scared of them?
Totally. Oh, very.
So it's still there.
In a good way, yes. I just hope my mum doesn't hear this.
So what scares you more? Is it a failure or is it a stagnation? कि मैं stuck ना हो जाऊँ?
I think stagnation.
Great. And one change that you want to see in rural India?
Oh, plenty.
Still, there must be something that you had to pick. I mean, I'm sure there is a lot.
Two. Then I'd say two. Education and improving economic opportunities.
Thank you so much. Education is what also came to my mind, but I wasn't very sure because honestly, I've never been to a rural India. I've never seen it very up close and personal.
Yeah.
I went when I was doing this one show called Rajasthan, where I also happened to visit a गांव in Rajasthan, जहाँ लाइट्स नहीं है आज भी, लालटेन से जलता है.
True.
Thank you so much. I had a great time talking to you.
Likewise.
Thank you again.
Thank
But before we say goodbye, one last thing that you want to say. Everybody is watching you here.
There's plenty I want to say. Well, one key message that I like to give to people, especially in the urban sector, is step out of your comfort zones. Do reach out to villages around you. Of course, I'd love for it to be my village, but every village needs help. And my personal dream was for the private sector and the government to see individuals like me as the medium to bridge the gap, even in the works that they want to do in the rural sector. And I feel when that happens, when we come together, is how things would change. और जो हमारे गांव में बच्चे हैं, लोग हैं, उनके लिए मैसेज मेरा यही रहेगा कि do not lose hope. आपकी जो समस्याएं हैं वो उसके बारे में आपको बोलना चाहिए, रीच आउट, क्योंकि आजकल जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, युवा पीढ़ी चाहे वो शहर की हो चाहे वो गांव की हो, हम सब इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक इत्यादि यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो उसको यूज़ करते हुए जो समस्या है वो सामने आनी चाहिए. आपको खुद को अपने सॉल्यूशंस निकालने चाहिए, क्योंकि इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. And many of the solutions can be found by people coming together. So that is my request to all of you in the urban and the rural sector. Let's come together and improve the conditions, not just for ourselves, but also for the fellow citizens who are as much part of this country as you and I.
Thank you so much. So that was Chavi Rajawat, a great interview, and thank you again for being here with us.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.